Hello friends, welcome to Parul Ka Zaika. Today I am going to make peanut chicky. Click subscribe button and bell icon so that you get the instant notifications of my new upcoming videos. And to make this recipe, the ingredients will required are 200 grams of roasted and peeled peanuts, 200 grams of jaggery, 1 tablespoon of clarified butter and water. First we'll put in a pan jaggery, ghee and cook it for 4 to 5 minutes until jaggery melts. Now put 1 drop of prepared jaggery syrup in water and take in a hand and break it this way. If it feels crispy, it means it has cooked well. Next add peanuts and mix well. Next grease 1 thick plastic. Now remove prepared mixture on it and keep aside for 2 minutes. Now spread well with rolling pin. Now with knife cut it into equal square pieces and let it cool down. Now break and separate pieces one by one. Crispy and tasty chicky are ready to serve. If you have liked this recipe, then please don't forget to click subscribe button on this side and this side click to watch my other videos. Soon I'll upload more recipes. Till then stay foodie and stay healthy.